everybody. Here at Kenmore Mercy Hospital, Catholic Health is getting ready to host a drive-through medication drop-off this Saturday, April 29th from 10 to 2. And here with us today is Catholic Health Director of Pharmacy, Patricia Ciola, and lead pharmacist, James Bartlett. Thanks for having us here today.
Thank you for coming. This is a very important event for Catholic Health and for the community.
So I'm guessing there's going to be different locations where we can drop off our used medications?
Yes, there's many locations within the Catholic Health System. We will have locations here at Kenmore Mercy, at our St. Joseph campus of Sisters Hospital, at the Mac Center out in Orchard Park, and Mount St. Mary's in Lewiston.
Wow, so there is quite a few locations. What type of medication can we drop off?
Really anything that you have at home that's not needed, expired medications, or if a family member passed away potentially, there may be extra medications that might need to be dropped off. So any medications, over the counter or prescription, anything sharps can come in as well. We can handle those. So really anything to get it out of the house.
Yeah, why is it important that we should get rid of these used or unused medications when we don't need them anymore?
It's very important that we have these events because unwanted medications serve a danger on many fronts. It's a danger to our environment, and it's an important Go Green initiative of Catholic Health to have medications taken out of the environment. It's important from a household perspective because you don't want children having access to medications that are no longer needed. And there's also the possibility with the opioid epidemic that there's the intentional misuse really of medications that are for pain relief.
And you make it very simple in order, when you're done with your medications, get them out of the house. This Saturday, you don't even need to get out of your car.
We can talk a little bit about how easy the event is. If you put the medications in a plastic bag, it's a drive-through process. You don't have to get out of the car. All you do is drive up. We have buckets where we accept the medications, drop the plastic bag in the bucket, and you're on your way.
Why does Catholic Health take part in this program? Because it is a national program.
It's a program that Catholic Health recognized as being important many years ago, even before it was really sponsored by the DEA locally. So we've been doing it for about 10 years. Myself not involved that long. Patty has been, I think, with it from the start, and really just recognizing the importance of getting the medications out of the households, protecting our patients, not only while they're here in the hospital, but once they leave as well.
Absolutely.
Catholic Health has been a leader in this particular event. As Jim mentioned, we've been participating. We've actually been the leader for 10 years. We've done this for 10 years, and we were doing it before anyone else was. It's so important for us in our Grow Green efforts. It's so important for us to use medications wisely that we've taken up the banner to do this and have done it successfully for 10 years.
When getting rid of used medications, a lot of people are concerned because their names are on the prescription bottle or on the pamphlet. How can you help with that?
Yeah, through this event, it's really not a concern that you need to have. We have professionals there along with law enforcement agencies, and the medication after you drop it off goes directly with those officials to incineration. So it all gets disposed of. You don't have to worry about taking your name off of it or about any information getting out there.
And we all have different medications in our house. What should we put these medications in before we drop them off?
Actually, you can just put them in a plastic bag. You can put them in any kind of container. We want it to be easy for you to get the products to us. You bring it to us, whatever form you have, and we'll take care of it and dispose of it properly.
Now, if we can't make it this Saturday from 10 to 2, what else can we do?
There are permanent locations throughout Erie County, a lot of the police stations, sheriff's offices. They do have permanent drop boxes, so you go and it works like a mailbox. You put the medication in, close the door, and you're back on your way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Give us the opportunity to talk about this important event.